Hi, this is Janet Pipes. I want to tell you about how elder abuse by the courts under guardianship fraud occurs. This is what the FBI says to look out for as far as red flags. They take away the victim's visitation restrictions. They take away the adequate exercise. They're not fed well. They're not given enough water. Large sums of the victim's funds are missing. Victim appears to be on psychotropic drugs. These drugs cause heart failure. They cause strokes. One of the things about guardianship is, if you've got somebody with dementia and they're taken to the court and it's kind of a forced guardianship, none of the attorneys or professionals get paid unless they become a ward. So they want to make that person a ward pretty bad. And the victim's money is used to sue his or her own family. The victim's trust, will, durable power of attorney are all negated by the court. And friends and family of the victims are harassed, threatened, and intimidated by authorities. And they could be charged with custodial interference and jailed. This is how they work it. This U.S. Department of Justice guardianship firm and its principals charged with federal conspiracy, fraud, theft, and money laundering offenses. The judge appoints his own guardian. The judge does that for a reason. That guardian and he are working hand in hand with their attorneys. This is an example of one of these guardians, April Parks. Former court-ordered guardian indicated in massive fraud scheme. She used to go to people's houses, tell them to come with her, take them to nursing homes, and give them psychotropic drugs. She would force them to go. She would tell them they would be arrested if they didn't go. After they arrested her, they found 27 urns in her storage locker where she had just thrown them in after she was able to kill them. They killed them. Contact 13, Channel 13 said, you know what? These crimes must be happening in the courtroom. And that's what the Washington Examiner said. Judges and lawyers use guardianship to prey on the elderly. And how do the judges get paid? How do they get bribed? This is one judge. This is 36 pages of his home reconveyances. Have you ever taken a loan against your home? Have you ever done it 50 times or more? This is what this one judge did. You can find out about your judge. Just go to your public records. He took $30,000, $30,000, $50,000, $162,000, $195,000. This goes on for page after page. $204,000, $266,000, $284,000, $293,000, $585,000, $66,000. It just goes on and on and on. $238,000, $427,000, $249,000, $272,000, $272,000. It's serious. There's nothing any of us can do. It's so thoroughly integrated into the courts, and it's such easy money for them. It's like mafia. One attorney has a great idea. Her name is Margaret Dorr. Her idea is a call for executive oversight of guardians. I'm a realtor. If I do something bad, I can get in a lot of trouble. I can get in trouble with the cops. I can get in trouble with my broker. I can get in trouble with the commissioner of real estate. All of that is good. The public needs to be protected. If a guardian does something bad to a family, they have to go to the judge, and the judge says, oh no, my guardian's fine. You have to hire an attorney to go to the judge. If guardians were made to be in an oversight such as realtors, a financial institution of a state, this is a brilliant way of getting rid of the fraud. Of course, since so many people get paid off, since legislators get paid off, since governors get paid off, since a lot of people get paid off, they haven't enacted this. But we want the public to know about this crime. Get the book Guardianship Fraud. In it, you've got some wills and trusts that you can copy and do your own, and it tells how to do them and protect yourself. But know about this crime, understand it, protect your family, and then work to get legislation so we get guardians out of the courtroom. Judges don't have training on how to supervise guardians. They don't have training on how to handle the millions of dollars the guardians take from somebody. In fact, what happens is those cases get sealed. There's billions. IRS doesn't get any. We're getting screwed as taxpayers. Do something. Speak up. Get a copy of Guardianship Fraud. Look at www.guardianabusecases.com. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Thank you.